This tutorial review will show you how to fix Listen for Siri or Hey Siri option not showing on your iPhone. So as you can see, Listen for Siri or Hey Siri not showing here. To fix this issue, all you have to need, go to your iPhone settings, scroll down until you get the Siri and search option, then tap on that. And to fix this issue, you have to change your Siri language. So tap on language, and the Listen for Siri or Hey Siri option is only available for English United Kingdom and English United States language. So I'm gonna selecting here English United States, then I'm tapping on back and tapping on listen for, and as you can see, the Listen for Siri or Hey Siri is showing now. So that's how we can fix this issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe tutorial review. See you in the next video.